Dry, red soil, exposed to the elements sun, wind and water. We are in the Ratanakiri province of Cambodia. Market opportunities and population pressure are changing the landscape of northeast Cambodia. Where once rainforests covered the soil, monoculture's plantation has taken over. Motivated by high prices, farmers and companies are cultivating cashew and rubber. The decreasing rainforest is an immense loss and has serious environmental effects. Furthermore, rubber plantations are taking land from indigenous minorities in the area. We wonder, how do indigenous farmers experience these changes? We feel so much sadness about the disappearing of the forest. Till 1987, I could find a lot of animals like wild chickens, wild pigs and deers, and many more than these. I did not recognize them all, but the oldest, which are around 30 years older, could recognize them all. And when there had been heavy rain, we could observe a lot of bamboo shoots like pok bamboo and poa bamboo. Now you cannot find them anymore. We still grow domestic bamboo, but this variety is not as good as the wild ones had been. The fire of the farmers burned the wild bamboo. Now it is really hard for us to live because we don't know how to do business. But some farmers are okay, because they know how to do business. Farmers were invited to discuss the problems they are facing in agriculture. One central issue is decreasing soil fertility. There is not much available land for shifting cultivation anymore. Shifting cultivation is progressively replaced by more intensive cultivation, where the same fields are cultivated year after year with few inputs. This means that there is no time for the soil to rest and build up organic matter until the next cultivation periods. This process leads to a decrease in soil fertility. The decrease in soil fertility is threatening agricultural productivity of small-scale farmers. There is a need for farming system that makes smart use of limited resources in an eco-efficient way. For example, using cow dung or producing natural fertilizer. Yet, many small-scale farmers have no experience with these methods. This is understandable, given the history of practicing shift and burn cultivation or being mostly hunter-gatherer in the jungle. We invited other local stakeholders, such as NGO representatives and staff from the Department of Agriculture, to comment on the situation and to share their perspective. They have experience in teaching eco-efficient methods. Stakeholders came to the conclusion the project failed and farmers are not integrated into the innovation process. Technologies by themselves are not helping the farmers. They must become innovators and implementers by themselves.
The project will fail because of commitment of the people, that they participate without any goal, any mind. So if they are also want to address the issue, because I'm poor, I have a food shortage, I have low income, so I want to address this through my resources. I have land, I have some cow, I have some tree, that I have some water. So if they want to address by using these resources, they will join our training with truly participation. If they don't have this kind of idea, they will not join. So first important thing, we need to build this mindset first, and then something will come behind this. This is what I I learn and my experience, and I talk, and a lot of people are now starting thinking about this, because if they don't want to change this kind of thing, we will be difficult to make our project success. Our Buddha said, everything you have, it's from what we sought. And we see a lot of things explained, like you ask what you think. So it's come to my mind that people need to think. If you don't think good, you will not have the good thing. So I'm really happy hand and mind should build together.
Thus, there's a need to listen to the voices of farmers and to encourage their capacity to innovate solutions. The role of scientists and facilitators could be to empower their strength and understanding of the problem.